Silence. Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about the mole concept. We discussed how the one mole is related to number of atoms, gram mass, gram atom, and also we discussed about the relationship between one mole of molecule, which is the gram molecular mass, one mole with the number of molecules, and also gram molecular volume. In the last class, also we discussed or we solved some numericals based on the mole concept that are related to mole and number of atoms. Mole, gram atom, okay, and mole with the gram atom mass. Now let us discuss some numericals based on the relationship between mole and number of molecule and molecular mass. Okay, so from the last class we discussed one mole of molecule is equal to what? 6.023 in 10 power 23 molecules is equal to what here? Gram molecular mass of equal to what here? Gram molecular mass of molecule is equal to what here? 1 gram molecule is equal to what here? 22.4 liter at NTP for gases. Okay. So one mole of molecule equal to what here? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. So this is equal to what here? Gram molecular mass of the molecule, okay, and substance, and gram mass of substance. This is equal to what here? 1 gram molecule. This is equal to 22.4 liter at NTP if the substance is a gaseous one. Okay. Now, based upon this, we can solve some numericals. Question number 1. See, 1 mole with number of molecule. Okay. Let's see. Calculate the number of molecules present in 0.1 mole of ammonia. Calculate the number of molecules present in 0.1 mole of ammonia. Okay. See, we have seen here 1 mole of molecule equal to what here? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Now you see, I can write. So 1 mole of ammonia is equal to what? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of ammonia. Therefore, 0.1 mole of ammonia. So 0.1 mole of ammonia is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 0.1 equal to what? 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules of ammonia. Okay. Question number 2. Now see, so here we have calculated the number of molecules in mole. Now how many moles of carbon dioxide is there in 6.023 into 10 power 24 molecules of carbon dioxide. Molecules of carbon dioxide. You see how many moles of carbon dioxide there in 6.02 into 24 molecules of carbon dioxide. What do you write here? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide is equal to what? 1 mole of carbon dioxide. You see this molecule equal to 1 mole. Okay, so given here how much? Therefore 1 molecule of CO2 equal to what? 1 by 6.023 into 10 power 23 mole of CO2. Therefore 6.023 into 10 power 24 molecules of CO2 equal what? 1 by 6.023 10 23 into 6.023 into 24 equal what? 10 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, so 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules equal to 1 mole. Therefore 6.023 24 molecules equal to 10 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is your mole into molecule and molecule into mole, right? Number 3. Number 3. Now question number 3. See, mole into molecular mass. Mole into your mass. Okay. How many moles of ammonia is there in 1.7 gram of ammonia? See how many moles of ammonia is there in 1.7 gram of ammonia. Okay, so mass is given here and number of moles we have to calculate, and we know mass of 1 mole of a substance is equal to gram molecular mass. Okay, so what will I write? Answer: gram molecular mass of ammonia equal to what? Let me for 14 plus 3 into 1 equal to what? 17 gram. So what do you write? 17 gram of ammonia is equal to 1 mole of ammonia. Therefore 1.7 gram of ammonia equal to what? 1 by 17 into 1.7 equal to what? 1 by 10 equal to 0.1 mole. Okay, so the number of moles in 1.7 gram of ammonia equal to what? 0.1 mole. Okay, so number of calculation of number of moles from the given mass. So how can you calculate? First of all, we have to relate this mole into gram molecular mass. We know gram molecular mass of a substance is equal to mass of 1 mole of substance. So here gram molecular mass of ammonia is equal to what? 17 gram. That means 17 gram of ammonia is equal to what? 1 mole of ammonia. So given here 1.7 gram. Therefore 1.7 gram of ammonia is equal to 0.1 mole. Now this is your mole to mass to mole. Now your mole to mass. Number 4. What is the mass of 0.1 mole of calcium carbonate? What is the mass of 0.1 mole of calcium carbonate? So here mass is asked, number of mole given. So in order to relate the mass with the mole, we will take the gram molecular mass. Okay, so answer, gram molecular mass of calcium carbonate is equal to what? Calcium 40 plus carbon 12 plus 3 into 16 equal to what? 100 gram. So 1 mole of calcium carbonate is equal to how many gram? 100 gram. Therefore 0.1 mole of calcium carbonate equal to what? 100 into 0.1 equal to what? 10 gram. So what is the mass of 0.1 mole of calcium carbonate? The mass of 0.1 mole of calcium carbonate is what? 10 gram. Okay, so what? Mole to mass and mass to mole. Number 5, now molecule to mass. How many molecules are there in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide? How many molecules are there in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide? Here molecule into mass is asked, molecule into mass. Okay, so we will take what? The gram molecular mass. Okay, answer, gram molecular mass of CO2 equal what? 12 plus 32 equal what? 44 gram. So we know 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules equal to gram molecular mass. So if you take gram molecular mass of substance, that will be equal to what? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. So what are we like? 44 gram of carbon dioxide is equal to what? 6.023 into 10 power of 23 molecules of carbon dioxide. Okay, therefore 4.4, or we can write therefore 1 gram of carbon dioxide equal to what? You write what? Therefore surprise, 1 gram of CO2 equal to what? 6.023 10 power 23 divided by what? 44. Okay, now so 4.4 gram of CO2. Okay, 4.4, therefore 4.4 gram of CO2 is equal to what? 6.023 into 23 divided by 44 into 4.4 equal to what? 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules. Okay, so the mass of the number of molecules in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide equal to what? 6.023 into 22 molecules of carbon dioxide. Okay, finally question number 6 I can take. What is the mass of 6.023 into 10 power of 21 molecules of oxygen. Okay, what is the mass of 6.023 into 10 power 21 molecules of oxygen? So here you see number of molecule into mass and number of molecule given. So we will get what? This much of molecule equal to gram molecular mass. So we can write what? Answer. Gram molecular mass of oxygen equal to what? 32. Okay, so 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of oxygen equal to what? 32 gram. Okay, therefore 6.023 into 10 power 21 molecules of oxygen equal what? 32 divided by 6.023 into 23 into 6.023 into 2021 is equal to what? 1 by 100. So 30 by 100, 0.32 gram. Okay, so the mass of 6.023 into 21 molecules of oxygen equal to what? 0.32 gram. Okay. Number 7. Question number 7. Now you know gram molecular mass over. Now gram molecule into your mole, molecule and mass. Okay. Number 7. How many moles of ammonia is there in 0.1 gram molecule of ammonia? So already we know 1 gram molecule is equal to what? 1 mole. So what is that? 1 gram molecule of ammonia equal to 1 mole of ammonia. Therefore 0.1 gram molecule of ammonia equal what? 0.1 mole of ammonia. Okay. Similarly, we can relate the gram molecule into your number of molecule and also the gram molecule into what? Into your mass. Okay. For example, number 8. How many molecules are there in 0.01 gram molecule of nitrogen? Okay, how many molecules are there in 0.01 gram molecule of nitrogen? We know 1 gram molecule of how do you know? 6.02 into 23 molecules. Okay, so what do you write? 1 gram molecule of nitrogen is equal to how many molecules? 6.023 into 10 power of 23 molecules. Therefore 0.01 gram molecules of nitrogen is equal to 6.023 23 into 0.01 equal what? 6.023 into 10 power 21 molecules. Okay. Now gram molecule into mass. Gram molecule into mass. What is the mass of 0.1 gram molecule of methane? Okay. See here gram molecule into mass given. So mass means we will take what? Gram molecular mass. So we write what? 1 gram molecule of methane is equal to what? Gram molecular mass of methane equal to what? 16 gram. So 1 gram molecule of methane equal to what? 16 gram. Therefore 0.1 gram molecule of methane equal to what? 16 into 0.1, 1.6 gram. So 0.1 gram molecule of methane equal to what? 1.60 gram. Okay. Similarly, number 10. How many gram molecules are there in 3.2 gram of methane? How many gram molecules are there in 3.2 gram of methane? This molecule mass given, so we will take what? Molecular mass is the standard. Okay. Now see gram molecular mass of methane equal what? 12 plus 4 into 1 equal what? 16 gram. Okay. Now 16 gram of methane is equal to 1 gram molecule of methane. Okay. Therefore 3.2 gram of methane equal what? 1 by 16 into 3.2 equal 1 by 16 into 32 by 10 equal what? 0.2 gram molecule. Okay. So 3.2 gram of methane equal what? 0.2 gram molecule of methane. Okay. So because mass given here molecule and asked you number of gram molecule. So what we have done here? Gram molecule mass equal to 16 gram. So 16 gram equal 1 gram molecule. Therefore 3.2 gram equal 1 by 3.2. We have to what? 0.2 gram molecule. Okay. Now similarly, if you take your gaseous substance, if you take a gaseous substance, that is what they occupy a volume of 20.4 liter at NTP. Okay, if the substance is a gaseous one. So now this volume of the gaseous substance at NTP we can relate into gram molecule, we relate into molecular mass, number of molecule, and also to your mole. Okay. Let's see question number 11. Okay. What is the volume occupied by 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide at NTP? So here you see at NTP volume given and mass given. Volume is asked. So if you relate the mass into volume, what do you say? Gram molecular mass is equal to 20.4 liter NTP. So what like gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide equal what? 12 plus 32 equal what? 44 gram. Now, so gram molecular mass of surface equal what? 20.4 liter. So what will I do? Now 44 gram of carbon dioxide 8 NTP is equal what? 22.4 liter. Therefore, how much given here? 4.4 gram. Therefore, 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide 8 NTP is equal to 22.4 divided by 44 into 4.4 equal what? 224 by 440 into 44 by 10. Okay, so we what? 24 equal what? 2.24 liter. So 44 gram of carbon dioxide at NTP equal to 20.4 liter. Therefore 4.4 gram carbon dioxide NTP equal to what? 2.24 liter. Okay. Similarly, we can go for mass to volume. Okay. Now volume to mass. Question number 12. Question number 12. Hello. What is the mass of ammonia, or what mass of ammonia? You see, what mass of ammonia will occupy a volume of 2 to 4 milliliter at NTP. What mass of ammonia? Mass is asked. Okay, will occupy a volume of 224 ml at NTP. So what we will do here? We will relate mass into volume. And what we know? Gram molecular mass equal what? 22.4 liter or 22,400 milliliter at NTP. So first of all, the gram molecular mass of ammonia equal what? 14 plus 3 equal what? 17 gram. Okay. Now 22,400 milliliter of ammonia 8 NTP is equal what? 17 gram. Right. Now therefore 2 to 4 ml of ammonia at NTP equal what? 17 by 22400 into 224 equal what? 17 by 100, 0.17 gram. Okay. So what mass of ammonia will occupy a volume of 224 milliliter at NTP? 0.17 gram of ammonia at NTP will occupy a volume of 224 milliliter. Is that clear? So mass into number of volume. Now let the volume into the suppose your number of molecules. Okay. A gas occupies a volume of 2 to 4 milliliter at NTP. What is the number of molecules. Okay, a gas occupies a volume of 224 ml at NTP. We know the gram molecular mass of every gas at NTP occupy a volume of 22,400 milliliter, and the gram molecular mass is equal to what again? The above number of molecules. So what you can say, this much of molecule occupying volume of what? This one, or this equal to, also I can write what? This equal to 22400 ml at NTP. Okay, so what will I do? Answer: a gas occupies a volume of this much. So 22400 ml of any gas at NTP equal to how many molecule? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay, so therefore 224 ml of gas equal what? 6.023 into 10 power 23 divided by what? 22400 into 224 equal what? 6.023 into 10 power 21. Okay, so the number of molecules for this much of molecules. So if the volume of the gas and NTP is 224 milliliter, then the number of molecules will be what? 6.023 into 10 power 21. Clear? Now next question number 14. How many moles of ammonia will occupy a volume of 44.8 liter at NTP? Okay, how many mole of ammonia will occupy a volume of 44.8 liter at NTP? See, we know 1 mole of a substance gas is equal to 20.4 liter. Okay, simply can add 22.4 liter of ammonia at NTP equal what? 1 mole of ammonia. Therefore 44.8 liter of ammonia at NTP equal what? 1 by 22.4 44.8 what? 2 mole of ammonia. Okay, so 2 mole of ammonia will occupy a volume of 44.8 liter at NTP. Clear? So this is what volume into number of moles plus number of molecules. Question number 15. How many gram molecule of oxygen will occupy a volume of 2240 milliliter at NTP? How many gram molecule of oxygen will occupy a volume of 2240 ml at NTP? See, number of 1 gram molecule this much of liter of at NTP, or 1 gram molecule to 2240 ml at NTP. So what do you write? What do you write here? That 22400 ml at NTP is equal to 1 gram molecule. Therefore 2240 ml at NTP is equal to what? 1 by 22400 into 2240 equal to what? 1 by 10, 0.1 gram molecule. So 0.1 gram molecule of oxygen will occupy volume of 2240 ml at NTP. Okay. So this is about the relationship mole, molecule, mole, mass, mole, gram molecule, mole, volume. Okay. And also we have related this mass into gram molecule, mass into molecules, and also your mass into volume. Okay. Now let us have some other numericals based on this mole concept. See question number 16. Question number 16. How many electrons are there in 1.6 gram of methane? Okay. How many electrons are there in 1.6 gram of methane? Okay. So here see 1.6 gram mass is given here, and they ask to how many electrons. So electrons are present in the atom. Okay. And atoms are there in the molecule, and we have the molecule methane. So first of all, find out the mass of this molecule methane. Okay. How much given? 1.6 gram. So gram molecular mass of methane equal what? 12 plus 4 equal what? 16 gram. So 16 gram of methane is equal to what? 6.023 into 10 power 23 what? Molecules of methane, right? Now here see this one molecule of methane. Now one molecule of methane is equal to one atom of carbon plus 4 atoms of hydrogen, right? Now one atom of carbon atom is 6. So how many electrons are there in the carbon? What? 6 electrons. Because the atomic number of carbon is 6, so 6 number of electrons are there in one atom of carbon. So 6 plus 4 atoms of hydrogen. One atom of hydrogen contains 1 electron, so 4 atoms, 4 electrons. Equal what? 10 electrons. So one molecule of methane contains what? 10 electrons. Okay. Now see 16 gram of methane equal this much of molecule, and it is given how much? 1.6 gram. So 1.6 gram of methane is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 by 16 into 1.6 is equal to what? 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules. So 1.6 gram methane contains 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules of methane, and we know one molecule methane contains 10 electrons. Therefore this much of molecule equal to how many electrons? So one molecule equal to 10 electrons. Therefore 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules of methane is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 22 into 10, because 1 molecule 10 electrons. How much? 10 electrons. This is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 electrons. So 1.6 gram of methane contains what? 6.023 into 10 power 23 number of electrons. Okay. Now question number 17. How many atoms are there in 9.8 gram of H2SO4? How many atoms are there in 9.8 gram of H2SO4? It's a molecule. So what will take here? Gram molecular mass of H2SO4 equal what? 2 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into 16 equal to 98 gram. So 98 gram of H2SO4 equal what? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay. Now 9.8 gram of H2SO4 is equal to 6.023 into 23 by 98 into 9.8 equal what? 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules. Now 1 molecule of H2SO4 equal what? H2 plus sulfur 1 plus oxygen 4, 7 atoms. Therefore 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules of H2SO4 equal what? 7 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. Okay. In this way we can calculate the number of atoms in a molecule also. Okay. Now question number 18. Okay, let's see the price of 1 mole of eating salt is rupees 585, 0.585. Okay. What is the price of 1 kg of eating salt? Okay. Now see, we have eating salt is what? Eating salt is what? NaCl. Okay. So molecular mass of NaCl equal what? 23 plus 35.5. equal what? Your 58.5 gram. Okay. So what you can say? The 1 mole of NaCl equal to how many gram? 58.5 gram, right? So given here the price of 1 mole of eating salt is 0.585. So 58.5 gram of NaCl is equal to rupees 0.585. Therefore, what is the price of 1 kg of eating salt? So 1000 gram of NaCl is equal to what? 0.585 divided by 58.5, okay, into 1000. This is equal to, I can write here, 585 by 1000 into 10 by 585 into 1000 equal what? Rupees 10. So 10 rupees is the price of 1 kg of eating salt. Okay. So this is all about your mole concept. So we have studied a number of numericals based on the mole concept during the last 2 classes, and I hope you are required to work out this numericals. Okay. And next class we will discuss about your percentage composition and your empirical formula. Okay. Thank you.